friends, I am Vinaya and today I am back with another creative idea. Today we are going to make a DIY palette. If you don't have a palette, this is the best video for you. You can make and customize your own palette. For this we will need this kind of tray or any other tray which has partitions between and a food tray too. I have added paint here and you will know why ahead. And we will need sellotape. First of all, you will cover your container with paint so that there is not much to be seen. I have a transparent container with partitions, so I have done this. If you don't, it is okay if you don't put paint here. Now we will place this plastic here and stick this with sellotape. Now you can go on and mix paint in these sections. So this was a very easy way to make a palette with not much to do. So this was all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.